Hey guys, today I just want to show you how to remove a print head on Epson WorkForce WF-3720 printer. We're just going to need a Phillips head screwdriver and either a flathead screwdriver or something like this here. So first I've basically told the printer that I want to replace the ink cartridges. The carriage came over here and then I unplugged the printer. So now the carriage just moves back and forth freely. We pulled the ink cartridges out. So the first thing that we need to do is we're going to remove this piece right here. It's a plastic piece. Just going to lift this here. This side. And then remove it on this side as well. So there's a button right here that we need to press on this side. So over here is where we're going to press. This little hole right here. We're going to press into that. That side lifts up, and we already got this one out. So now this piece comes out, and you can either leave it here, or you can just disconnect it over in the back, like so. Be careful not to damage anything, and just take pictures as you go if you want to make sure you put everything back. Then we need to remove this piece right here. Comes off really simple. And now we have the 3 screws in there that need to be removed, these 3 here. And that lets our print head come out. And now the print head should just lift up, like so. And we have connections on both sides. Going to disconnect it here, and we're going to disconnect it on this side, and this is how the print head comes out. And then to put it back in, make sure you put it this way. First connect these 2 cords, and make sure you get it inside the slot, not just somewhere in there. Like that. Same here. There we go. And we're going to just take it down, put the screws back in, 1, 2, and 3. And then we're putting get this out. After we're all done with that, we're just going to put this piece back, like so. There it is. Then we're going to connect this chip reader. So you can see how it was folded. Just make sure you don't jam anything in there. And then you just pop that one back down and you're all set. So I just skipped the screws part, but this is how you put it back together. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. please like the video if we did help you with taking the print head out or replacing it. Share this video with others and subscribe to our channel. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.